English language conventions. Present perfect tense, past participle. 8th grade skill level, question 13. Memedicine, antidote your ignorance. Show some love and throw some bands on my Cash App. Cash App, hashtag, $, memedicine. Keep me fueled. I can continuously provide you with these builds. Keep you in the know and up your knowledge game. Be sure to subscribe. English Foundation, verb tense, question 13. Complete the sentence with the present perfect form of the verb. After an ambitious triple axel, Melissa Mitchell, blank, upright on the ice, the announcer exclaimed as the crowd in the rink let out a collective gasp. The task here is to shift the tense of fall to its present perfect verb form. The perfect tense describes completed actions. Another way of saying this is the perfect tense usually tells about something that has, had, or will have happened. To form the perfect tense, use a form of the helping verb to have with the past participle of the main verb. The past participle of a verb is usually the same as its past tense form. Its simple past tense form, that is. But sometimes the verb is irregular. The present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has started already. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is either going to be has or have. Note that has corresponds to second person singular subjects, and have will be paired with the first person singular pronoun I, the first person plural pronoun we, the second person singular pronoun you, and all third person plural pronouns. All right, so that might have been a lot to digest mentally. Check out these examples. The sun has broken through the clouds. Note that here, has is the second person singular form of the verb to have. Again, it agrees with its singular subject, the sun. Also notice that the main verb broken is the past participle of the verb to break. The past participle verb form of break is obviously irregular. The verb form has broken is the correct present perfect tense. Now check out another example. John and Erica have played the violin for years. Note here that have is the present tense form of the verb to have that is paired again with I, you, we, and all plural subjects. Here, our plural subject is John and Erica. So the present perfect tense have played correctly corresponds to its plural subject, John and Erica. All right, back to the original question, now for a detailed solution. Again, the present perfect tense tells about something that has happened or has already started. It uses a present tense form of the helping verb to have, which is has for singular, third person subjects. And just in case you're wondering, here are some examples of singular third person subjects. Melissa Mitchell, as well as the announcer. Okay? So they're singular because there's just one of them, and they're considered third person subjects because, as you'll soon learn in a few seconds, first person is I, we, second person is you, and third person is like she, he, Melissa, Joe, Bob, Bill. Okay? All right. So we established when has, HAS is applicable, and have is used for the first person singular pronoun I, first person plural pronoun we, as well as the second person singular pronoun you, and all other plural subjects, okay? Obviously, plural just means like more than one, at least two. So either form of the verb to have is going to be combined with the past participle of the main verb. According to this rule, has fallen is the correct present perfect tense verb form. The use of has fallen is appropriate here because Melissa had already made her move before the commentator announced her successful landing on the ice. The main verb fall is irregular, therefore its past participle fallen differs from its simple past tense verb form, fell, which is spelled F-E-L-L. I'm pointing this out because sometimes people assume that the simple past tense of a verb is its past participle, okay? All right, let's get back on track. We have preceded fallen with the present tense form of the helping verb to have that agrees in number with the singular third person subject of the verb, Melissa Mitchell. Has fallen is the correct present perfect tense verb form.